Stop scrolling. This will make you yawn. Have you ever yawned right after seeing someone else yawn? That's not a coincidence. It's called contagious yawning, and scientists think it's linked to something deeper: your empathy. Your brain literally mirrors what it sees. So when someone else yawns, your mind copies it automatically, like a reflection. Even more crazy, you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you know than a stranger. And yes, dogs and chimpanzees do it too. So if you're yawning right now, it might mean your brain is highly connected to others. Or you just got tricked by a video. Be honest, did you yawn?